Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can install mods into Hytale. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you're going to need to download some mods. I recommend using CurseForge and finding some mods you like and then clicking on the download button. Don't click on the install button, just click on download. In most cases you're not going to need the CurseForge app to set up mods for Hytale. So just download the file. You'll either get a zip file or a jar file. Once you've downloaded a mod or mods, navigate to where they're downloaded to in the Windows File Explorer, and then you're going to want to open up the Hytale launcher. And once you're in the Hytale launcher, you're going to want to click on the settings button. Then you're going to want to go to Open Directory. After that, you're then going to want to go to the user data folder. Then you're going to want to go to the mods folder. And basically, you're going to want to drag and drop all of your mods into the mods folder. So I'm going to drag and drop my -helmet zip folder into the mods folder. If you have a zip folder, you drag and drop the zip folder. If you have a jar file, you drag and drop in the jar file. Don't extract the zip folder. And don't extract or open up the jar file. Leave them as they are. And once you've added your mod or mods to the mod folder, you can close it. Go back to Hytale and return to the main screen. Then click play. Once you've opened up Hytale, you're going to want to go to the worlds. Then on one of your worlds, you're going to want to right click on it to open up the settings. And then you're going to see the mod section. If you see the mod here, that means it's successfully installed. And you're going to want to tick the mods you want to enable for this world. Then click on Save World Settings. Then you're going to want to open up the world. And if it works and the game doesn't crash, that means your mod worked. And I'm going to check now the workbench. And as you can see, there's a bunch of -helmets, which was my mod. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.